Now let's complete a search in ERIC. Let's look for information about how children learn to read. To start, let's search for information about the population, children. Enter children in the first search box on the advanced search. Next, let's enter learn in the second search box. Then finally, read in the last search box. Let's search and see how many results we get just by adding keywords. When we search children and learn and read, we get around 1,800 results. That's not a bad starting point. However, when I look at our keywords, we might be missing out on some good results because researchers might have used different terms. For example, for children they could have said adolescents, or kids, or child, or youth. Let's add those terms to the search box with the Boolean operator OR and see how much it changes our results. I'm going to add or adolescents, or youth, or kid with an asterisk to get results for kid or kids. And to get child and children, I'll change children to child with an asterisk at the end. After I complete the search with the added terms, you'll see it added about 200 results. Let's also add some keywords to the other search boxes. I think learn will likely be included in most results about this topic, but researchers might have used words other than read, like reading or literacy. Let's add those to the search box by changing the box to say read asterisk or literacy. When we complete that search, you can see that adds a significant number of results. We're now at around 6,400 results. That's okay, because now we're going to use the filters on the left side of the page to limit down our results to a manageable size. Just to note, you can complete the searching process in many different ways. You can first expand your results by adding other keywords, or you can start with the filters and add more keywords later if you're not getting enough relevant results. This is entirely up to you. First, let's start by changing the ordering of our results from date newest to relevance. ERIC defaults to date newest, but often the results at the top won't seem to fit what you're looking for. Now let's add some filters. If you're looking for scholarly articles, always start by selecting peer-reviewed. You can see this gets rid of a ton of results from the start, around 4,200 results. Now let's select academic journals under source types to limit only to articles. Now we have just over 2,000 results. If you look at the publication date filter, you can see that the articles in our results span from 1978 to 2019. Let's limit this to a 10-year span to get more recent articles and information. Changing the date range gets rid of almost half of the results, leaving us with just over 1,100 results. Next, let's look at language. It appears all of the results are in English. If there were other languages included in the list that you wanted to remove from the search, you could do so by selecting only the languages you can read. Next, let's look at subject. This will allow you to limit by subject headings the articles are tagged with. Basically, this is what the articles are tagged as being about. Here, let's select Show More to see the list of suggested subjects. Let's choose elementary education, early childhood education, elementary school students, literacy, reading instruction, emergent literacy, reading skills, and literacy education. Then select Update. You can choose as few or as many subjects as you like. Notice next to each subject, you'll see the number of results that include that subject heading. The more you choose, the more results you'll have. It's also likely that some articles will include multiple subject headings that you select. When we update the results, we have 717 results total. We could now limit by a specific publication by selecting a journal under the publication filter, but instead I'm going to expand the geography filter and select a location. By selecting Show More, I can see more location tags. I'm going to choose any tags that fall under the United States. In this case, that includes United States, California, and Texas. When I update the results, you'll see that I only have 33 articles listed. This is a good number of results that are recent articles with subject headings indicating they fit what I'm looking for. Every time you search a new topic, the search process will be a little bit different. Some searches may have what you're looking for in the first search results before adding filters or other keywords. Just keep in mind that keywords and filters are tools for you to use to get better, more relevant results. A lot of searching is trial and error. If you ever get stuck and aren't finding results for what you want, try different keywords or contact the library for assistance. In the next video, we'll go over viewing our results, saving, and sharing.